New beginnings can be scary, full of uncertainty and overwhelming. But the feeling of doing something that you always wanted to do, whether that's losing weight or living a healthy lifestyle, is definitely worth it. But Genius Insight will make your weight loss journey relatively easy with the selective, tried and tested weight loss hacks. Get ready to see yourself transformed in only 1 week. Catching up with your exercise routine is necessary, but it is even more important to get rid of your bad diet. We should be prioritizing diet and mindset along with a good exercise routine to achieve our results. 1. Count your proteins and calorie intake. It's very important to be aware of what you're eating and how much. You can use food calorie counting apps or refer to the packet of food for measuring the exact amount of calories, protein, carbs, and nutrients that you are going to consume. This will help you in consciously cutting down on your unhealthy foods, and it turns out to be a game changer. 2. Drink soup regularly. Having soup at the beginning of a meal can curb your appetite, and you will end up eating less. Also, soups can be highly nutritious but low in calories, precisely something every person who wants to lose weight needs. Consumption of low-energy, dense soup can help decrease your calorie intake and enhance weight loss. Make sure you prepare soups without using thickeners or fats. 3. Exercise in the morning. Morning exercise helps to control appetite and prevent excess calorie intake, and is more effective in helping you lose weight compared to evening exercise. It also improves the quality of sleep at night. This takes us to our next hack. 4. Rest well. Weight loss hacks are not just about food and calories. They are about rest too. Rest and sleep are just as important for how your body functions and what your body craves. When you sleep well, you have more energy during the day, so your body craves less empty carbs and sugar to give you more energy. Have you ever noticed how all you want are sweets and pastries when you're super tired? Yep. 5. Cut down sugar. Sugar can be worse than fat when it comes to harmful health effects. Sugar-sweetened beverages and carbonated soft drinks are major contributors to weight gain. Sugar is not just found in desserts, soft drinks, and sweet foods. Sugar is everywhere in canned food, in junk food, in bread, and even in many snacks that are advertised as healthy. Learn to spot it and then eliminate it from your diet. That was the video, guys. Make sure you leave a like and a cheerful comment to motivate us to keep making good content. Don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon. Goodbye. Keep your inner genius alive.